I've got a mouse here. Mouse is fine, works great. Unfortunately the cable has frayed. So you can see there that the USB cable is, the strain relief is broken and the cable's actually starting to go. And this doesn't work reliably anymore. So what I found was this, which is the shell of a USB plug which has got solder connections, and it's designed to repair this sort of problem. So I'm going to cut this off, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the wire colours here, work out which connections they go to and solder it onto here, and then see whether this actually solves my problem or not. Let's cut it apart, see what's going on in there. So there we go. I've checked the connections, soldered it on, and does it work? Yes it does. So this mouse has got a new lease of life, so I'm quite pleased with that. Let's try and put it back together again. There we go. It's fairly robust, but of course if it doesn't last very long I can resolder it, and the only real limit to the number of times I can do that now is this cable, but then I can probably replace that as well. So yeah, it does work. We'll see how long it lasts.